With the Disney Princess vívofit Jr. 2, vívofit Jr. 3, or accessory bands, the interactive app experience lets your child explore 5 magical princess kingdoms. They'll travel under the sea to help Ariel plan an underwater concert. On their way, they'll have to gather the perfect food to feed hungry concertgoers, and salvage a piano with Sebastian's help, all while avoiding the sea witch Ursula. Will Ariel's concert go as planned? Kids need to meet their activity goals every day to find out. And for every day they meet their activity goals, they'll also collect colorful gems that let them reveal their very own kingdoms on the adventure maps. The more activity minutes they complete, the more gems they can collect. And don't forget to play the Tap Challenge. Your child gets 2 chances to play for every 60 minutes of daily activity. And logging active minutes also lets them unlock fun icons, like Flounder, that they can display on their vívofit Jr. fitness trackers. But the fun doesn't stop there. After they travel through Ariel's world, it's on to the other kingdoms of Rapunzel, Mulan, Belle, and Jasmine.